very difficult to say Streetcar is about this or Streetcar is about that, because it's so strongly about human nature and human emotions that it encompasses life, really. This is my third experience with Streetcar, and I wanted to try to take it a step further. So I wanted to do it in dance, because I believe there's a lot to be expressed in dance, and we don't see enough full-length dance presentations, so that's why.
We're really lucky. The two Japanese girls, Maya and Misaka, are so talented and so hard-working. They're going to be absolutely superb.
私はブランチを演じる加藤美香です。ブランチのキャラクターは彼女はいろんな面を持っていて本当に起伏が激しいです。すごく非常にドラマティックでもあり、そして舞台でありながらもダンスでもあり。
It's really a great opportunity because hardly to have live music, and then the choreographer Lex is doing very good job for the choreography for us, and I enjoy it very much.
So far I think the cast is very powerful and very energetic, and also I think in Malaysia we don't have much of the dance drama things, so it's very good for the audience to have a chance to see the Malaysia works.
ストリートカーは愛と情熱と欲望